Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa,
Peace overall.
Planet Earth is crying, and I can hear it yelling out. Planet Earth is dying, and I can hear it pleading, saying, saving nature, oh, oh, loving nature, oh, oh, protecting nature, oh, oh, preserving nature, oh, oh, saving nature, oh, oh, loving nature, oh, oh, protecting nature, oh, oh, preserving nature, oh, oh. If you can look around where we living, then you will realize things are changing. That all we used to know is not the way it used to be. Haven't you heard about global warming? Sounds to me as a global warning. Our world depleting and degrading. Haven't you heard there is too much pollution in the air, making bad infection? We need solutions to save the world inhabitants. Yeah, we got saving nature, oh, oh, loving nature, oh, oh, protecting nature, oh, oh, preserving nature, oh, oh, saving nature, oh, oh, loving nature, oh, oh, protecting nature, oh, oh, preserving nature, oh, oh.
Hey, Mr. Nation Builder, you can build whatever you wanna build. Just leave it for rest. For many lives depends on it.
And hey, you Mr. Wood Seeker, yes it's true, we need beds and chairs. But what if there is no rain? It's gonna be more pain to gain.
For the little ones, let's grow more trees for the little ones. A cleaner to breathe for the little ones. A better place to live for the little ones. For the little ones, for the little ones.
They need to educate
for the little ones,
so they can free themselves.
for the little ones,
A safer place to be
for the little ones,
little
for the
one.
little ones, oh, for the little ones.
They need to educate for the little one, so they can free themselves for the little one. A safer place to be for the little ones, little ones, little ones. Serving nature, loving nature, protecting nature.